This video and all content on this channel is performed by a pest control professional, and it is always recommended to hire a pest control pro in your area to perform any pest control in or outside your home. Pesticides can harm you and your loved ones. Anyone who is performing the information in this video is doing so at their own risk. If you decide to try the info provided in this video, please always check with the local laws in your area and read the labels of any product you use. The label is the law.
Are you waking up itchy? Have you been getting bug bites when you're asleep at night? Hi, I'm Jason Akers with Green Acres Pest Control, local to Lynchburg, Virginia. I've been in pest control for over 30 years, and I've been dealing with bed bugs for 26 years. Today, we're going to go over how to find bed bugs in your home. We're going to go over key places that you need to look to make sure you're not overlooking these itchy pests. So before we dig into this inspection, we want to grab our flashlight and our gloves. These are key tools that I use to inspect homes for bed bugs. You want to try to catch your bed bugs early on. If you start to get bug bites and you're concerned it might be bed bugs, you'll want to try to inspect as soon as possible. Check all of these places that I'm about to tell you so you can get underway with treatment methods to get rid of this problem as soon as you can. Understand that treating for bed bugs takes time. Eliminating bed bugs takes time. So the sooner we can get going, the sooner we can get started, the sooner we can get rid of this problem. Check bed sheets, blankets for rusty spots, blood spots. These are signs that bed bugs have bit you and then you've bled on the sheets. If you have a spot that's unexplained and you're not sure where it came from, if it's rusty brown or even black in color, this may be a sign that you have bed bugs. Let's inspect further and see if we can actually find bed bugs on the mattress itself. Before inspecting your bed for bed bugs, you'll want to remove all of the sheets, covers, comforters, and pillows. You can inspect these items as you remove them for eggs and bed bug debris, bed bug casings, live bed bugs, also bed bug droppings. Bed bug droppings appear as though an ink blot on the fabric. It will bleed into the fabric as if you've touched an ink pen to it. So these are signs that bed bugs have been present. Remember, bed bugs don't just live on your bed, but here are some key places to check on your bed. You want to check your box spring, especially around the staples that hold the fabric to the box spring itself on the bottom. You want to peel back those little guards. In fact, look at these bed bugs right here behind this guard. This was found on a street, a public street. The mattress is only 3 months old, yet they were throwing it away right on the street for someone to mistakenly take it home and infest their own home with bed bugs. Bed bugs hide around the staples of a box spring and around the guards that protect the box spring when moving it in and out of your house. They also hide around the seams of your mattress and on the struts that actually hold your bed together, the bed frame and the bed rails. If you'll check the screw heads that actually screw the bed frame together and the bed rails to your bed frame, these are places bed bugs like to hide. Don't forget, they also hide on your headboard and your footboard. So if you've got places with creases, cracks, crevices, places that they can squeeze into, you want to check these places really well. Take your flashlight, shine in those little cracks, see if you can find some bed bugs. Bed bugs don't just hide in your bed. They also hide around baseboards, behind the bed especially. So you'll want to check these places where the baseboard joins to the wall. You also want to check around your bed legs where they touch the floor, especially in a carpeted bedroom, because these give lots of places for bed bugs to hide. Don't forget the crown molding, the crease where the ceiling meets the wall. This is a place you want to check for bed bugs. If you notice little dark specks in the corners of your bedroom, check there. See if bed bugs are there. If you have a heavy bed bug infestation, it's not uncommon to find bed bugs in neighboring furniture, like dressers, nightstands, and ottomans. Check these two just in case. You'll want to turn couches upside down. Leather couches, upholstered couches, it doesn't matter. Bed bugs will live on both of these types of furnishings. You'll want to check your lazy boy recliners. Turn them upside down as well. Look around the armrests. It's a real common place for bed bugs to kind of settle in. They're really close to your elbows, and they'll come out and bite your elbows. If you notice that you're getting bit on your upper arms or your elbows, check around the creases of your couch and the creases of the armrests on your couch and love seats and also recliners. These are places bed bugs kind of like to hang out. When you get guests to your house, common places they like to sit, and of course, guests usually do bring bed bugs in, they usually come in and sit on your couch. So check these places just in case the bed bugs have rooted in there. Flip your couches upside down. Flip your recliners upside down. Turn over your love seats. Look around the legs. Look at this couch right here. You see where I unscrew the leg? Bed bugs hiding under the leg. If your legs of your couch are unscrewable, like this one, you'll want to pull those off and you'll want to treat under those when you treat for bed bugs. But this is key to inspecting and finding bed bugs in your house. Secret places. So what do you do if you found bed bugs in your house? Well, if I find bed bugs in a customer's house, I treat with Crossfire. That's the pesticide that I choose to use. I treat cracks and crevices throughout the entire house, including baseboards and crown molding. I treat the furniture. I treat couches, love seats, and lazy boy recliners. I'm going to post a video right here that you can go watch that will help you understand how to treat for bed bugs. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you really like it, consider subscribing to the channel. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.